Good morning, everyone. We have another fun experiment. We are going to make a glider out of straws and some paper. So go ahead and cut your strips of paper. I did one that's about 1 inch wide, and then I'm going to make a circle out of it. And then you just tape it to hold it together. Then this one I did a little wider because I thought I would try to experiment and see how my glider flies if one is bigger than the other. So one loop I made larger. This one it's wider, but I'm going to make it smaller. And again, you can do this a couple times and experiment to see what happens if you use two circles that are the same size, two thick circles, two thin circles. On my example, I have both pieces of paper very similar cut in size. I just made one circle smaller than the other. And this time, like I said, I'm doing something a little different. So then I took my straws and I actually cut off the bendy part. But again, if you want to do it as an experiment and see how it works with the bendy part with a longer straw, go right ahead. And then tape at least one straw to your circles. You could try definitely more. I'll do 2 on this one since I have 1 on my other one, and we'll see how it goes. So I've got 1 straw on that one, but I do 1 at the top, and we see how it goes. So then I'm going to tape 1 straw to the top. So basically we're just making very simple gliders. So very similar to our paper airplanes, just a different design. So here I have a glider that has 2 straws, the thicker paper on one side and the thinner on the other, and we'll see how it flies. The other thing you can do is try to fly it different ways. So for instance, this one, I'm gonna fly it with the skinny part or the smaller circle first, but then turn it around and see, does it fly that way? Certainly you can do different experiments. So I think it would have flown a little bit better if I didn't hit the door. Now let's try this concoction and see how it went. The thicker one and the 2 straws didn't go as well for me. So see how your experiments turn out, which glider can get the furthest, what designs can you make. Have a good time.